Ikinatuwa ng Pangulong Aquino ang kabuuan ng pagdaraos ng eleksyon. Naging positibo ang Pangulo dahil na rin sa dami ng mga botanteng nakilahok sa eleksyon. Mareport si Rocky Ignacio.
Kontento si Pangulo Aquino sa katatapos ng halalan kung saan lumahok ang maraming Pilipino. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lecerda, sa kabuuan naging pangkalahatang maayos ang katatapos sa midterm polls. Kinilala rin ng Pangulo ang pakikisa ng lahat para tiyakin ang mapayapa at may kredibilidad na eleksyon.
The Filipino people in great numbers undertook their civic duty to determine who would receive a mandate in the legislature and in local governments across the country. Overall, our fellow citizens undertook this exercise and the right of suffrage with tenacity and good cheer. By all accounts, the second automated election has proceeded in a satisfactory manner, with the system and the vast majority of machines working as they were intended. While there were isolated incidents of violence and equally isolated hitches in the voting process, our institutions, from the COMELEC to its deputized agencies, volunteers for poll watching, media and the public came together and did their utmost to ensure free, fair, and credible elections.
Na palasyo ang halala na magsisilbing gabay sa pagpapatuloy ng mabuting pamamahala. Habang patuloy na inaantabayanan ng proklamasyon sa mga nanalo ngayong eleksyon, ipinakitaan niya ng mga Pilipino ang tiwala na palawakin pa mandato ng Pangulo tungo sa tunay na pagbabago. Sa harap na rin ito ng pangunguna ng mga pambato ng Team Pinoy sa partial at unofficial tally ng COMELEC.
The President led the administration into what he himself has described as a referendum on this administration, one that will determine whether there will be a continuation and acceleration of reform or a regression to the old selfish ways that had harmed our country. As the counting is completed and the official proclamations take place, it seems clear that our countrymen have spoken overwhelmingly to confirm and expand the mandate for reform and change that they first granted in 2010 to President Aquino. The work is cut out for all of us. First, to respect the will of the majority. Second, to witness the baton of leadership being handed over from one set of leaders to the next on the basis of the people's will. And third, to stay on the path that the Filipino people have determined by the virtue of their vote for change. The victory of Team Pinoy is a renewed mandate for Tuwid na Daan, and a vote of confidence for good governance, the continuity of reforms, and a brighter future to come.
Ng Pangulo ang pasasalamat sa publiko ng pakikiisa sa katatapos ng halalan. Umaasa ang palasyo na ibayo pang may patutupad ang mga makatotohanang reforma sa loob ng susunod na 3 taon.
We thank the Filipino people for the support they have shown President Aquino's agenda of reform and positive change. And we also thank them for doing their part and contributing to the success of these elections. As we in government continue to fulfill the mandate entrusted to us by our bosses, the Filipino people, it is our hope that the next 3 years will see our country taking even greater strides along the straight path towards equitable progress, peace, and stability for all.
Mula sa Malacanang, ako si Rocky Ignacio ng PTV para sa Media ng Bayan.